again. It's a rich thing.
How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jennifer. They're new. I need to update on my car. It's still not here. Anywho's fam, as I promised on Instagram, I'll do a little sneak peek on the next modification that I'm doing on the car, the next sponsor. It's still a prototype. It's still not out there for sale, but soon. It's being built. It's gonna be out soon. The sneak peek is actually going to be a photo. The photo will tell you everything because it will show everything, so you guys will see. It's going to be in this video. I don't know if it's going to be in the end, the middle, 20-40 seconds, minutes, you know, in between, but I mean, so the photo will be in this video, fam, so you guys just need to keep an eye for it. Search it if you want, but you guys will see it, and you guys will hopefully enjoy this because this is something big for the Camry game, you know. What I do want to mention, guys, if to all my OG subscribers, this video actually never got uploaded for some reason. I was going through my videos and I saw this one and I edited it and everything, but never uploaded it. It's actually what you guys saw on the, you know, on the title. It's how to change your KN filter on the car. So you guys enjoy the video, you know. It's a little something that I should have probably uploaded because honestly it was when I was doing my lip kit and spoiler too. So hope you guys enjoy the video. How you doing, guys? We're gonna be doing a video today about the KN filter. A couple of years, I guess, months. So pretty much what you do is you click right here, this part over here, and click this. I would recommend the KN filter. Let's take out the stock one. The car pretty much it's almost at 1,000 miles. I would recommend at least to hit 1,000 to the engine to settle down, you know. Filter's brand new, I mean, might keep it. Oh, we got some paper over here. What the fuck? Okay. Alright, voy a poner pausa. Alright, guys, so we're gonna be putting the KN filter. Pretty much first mount on the engine. Pretty easy step. Not much to talk about. Graba ahí con acá cerca. Pretty much fits in right here. Boop. Por acá al frente. Aquí pone pausa. Alright, guys, so then we're gonna push it in here. Alright, guys, so then we're gonna push it in right here on the clicks. Right here and right here. Pretty much push it in there. It's gonna go back up. Click right here. Click right here. There we go. Now we're gonna see how it sounds. It's a minimum sound, pretty much less lag, even though this one's XSC, has a sport and everything. Alright, so we're gonna see how it sounds. Nada más. Okay. Alright, fam, hope you guys found the picture. Hope you guys found what the name modification is. If you guys did found the photo, please comment down below so you can know. I'm very excited, very happy. I don't know how to describe it anymore. It's honestly, I just can't wait to get the car back and just ride. Honestly, I want to see how it sounds, how it feels. I'm really excited for it, honestly. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, fam. Remember, it's not just about the car. Stay sexy out there, guys. Until next time.